Hi viewers, how are you? I am fine. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn integers. Integers means the collection of whole numbers together with the negative of natural numbers. Natural numbers means usually you are counting 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are called natural numbers. Natural numbers are denoted by the letter n. So n is equal 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are natural numbers. Here the smallest natural number is 1. Greatest natural number we don't know because we can write unlimited numbers. That's why you cannot say the greatest number. And next one, whole numbers. So whole numbers means 0 is added to the natural numbers, then we get whole numbers. Means whole numbers are denoted by the letter W. So W is equal 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So here 0 is included to the natural numbers, then we get whole numbers. Here the smallest whole number is 0. Greatest whole number we don't know because unlimited numbers. Okay, that's why you cannot say the greatest integer. Now integers. Integers means the collection of whole numbers together with the negative of natural numbers. Natural integers are denoted by the letter I or Z. So I is equal negative of the natural numbers, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These are integers. Okay. Now these integers you can represent a number line. So draw the number line and mark the 0 middle of the number line, and right side of the 0 positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Here left side of the 0 negative integers -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. Okay, and here observe this number line. Right side of the zeros are positive integers. What are those? Positive integers. Positive integers. Left side of the 0 negative integers. Okay. Left side of the zeros are negative integers. Right side of the zeros are positive integers. And also here all positive integers are greater than all negative integers. Okay, all positive integers are greater than all negative integers. And here 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. And also 0 is greater than all negative integers. Okay. Now see, for example, -5 and +2. -5 and +2. Which is the greatest integer in this? Which is the greatest integer? Positive integers are greater than all negative integers. Okay, that's why 2 is the greatest integer and -5 is the smallest integer. And one more example, -2 and 0. 0 -2. Which is the greatest and smallest integer in these. Okay, here 0 is greater than all negative integers, right? So that the greatest integer is 0 than -2 and the smallest integer is -2. Okay, now learn exercise 1. So what is given? Second question. Write the integers between the pair of integers given below. Here pair of integers is given and what they are asking to do, also choose the biggest and the smallest integer from them. First we have to write the integers between -5 and -10. Then we can write which is the biggest and smallest integers from them. Okay, so that the integers, first one, the integers between minus 5 and minus 10. Minus 5 and minus 10, what are those? 9, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7 and minus 6. Minus 9, minus 8, minus 7 and minus 6. So between integers we written here. Now from these you can write which is the biggest and smallest integer. Okay, all are negative integers only. Okay, in negative integers which is the smallest number is the greatest integer. Okay, so observe here 6. 6 is close to 0 than 9, minus 9. Okay, so that 6 is greater than minus 9. So that here the greatest integer is minus 6. The greatest integer equal to minus 6 and the smallest integer minus 9. Smallest integer equal to minus 9. Okay, and next question. Minus 8 and minus 5. What they given? Minus 8 and plus 5. Minus 8 and plus 5. These between integers now we can write. Okay. How many are there? Minus 7, minus 6, minus 4, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Between these many numbers are there. Okay. Now let us write the second bit. The integers between what are those? Minus 8 and plus 5. Minus 8 plus 5 is equal, how many are there? Minus 7, minus 7, minus 6, minus 4, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These many integers are there between minus 8 and plus 5. Okay. So now let us write which is the greatest and smallest integer from these. Okay. So write first greatest integer. Greatest integer means positive integers are there. Yes or no? Greatest integer means we have to compare in positive integers. Which is the greatest number? 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is the greatest integer in these? 4. So that the greatest integer is equal plus 4 and the smallest integer. The smallest integer is equal, we have to compare negative integers. Okay. In negative integers, how many are there? Minus 7 to minus 1 is there. Okay. So here in this negative integers, which is far away from the 0, 7. Okay. So the minus 7 is the smallest integer. So that minus 7 is the smallest negative integer. Okay. Let us see the third question. See the third question what is given. Write the following integers in ascending order. Okay. Ascending order means small to big. What is the given numbers? We have to arrange it small to big. That is ascending order. Okay. So ascending order of the digits are minus 5, plus 2, plus 1, minus 8. Okay. So these integers now we can arrange in small to big. Okay. Here the negative integers are always smaller than the positive integers. Yes or no? So that now we can compare minus 5 and minus 8, which is the smallest integer. Which is the smallest integer in these? Minus 8. So write minus 8 and next one minus 1. Which is the smallest one? 1. And next 2. Okay. Next one. Here what is given? Second question. Okay. In second question, -4, -3, -5 and +2. These given integers now we can arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. Okay. Right. Ascending order of the digits is equal. First we have to compare negative integers only. Okay. -4, -3, -5. Which is the smallest integer in this? -5. So first we write -5 and next one -4. -4 and then -3. Here positive integer only 2. So, but last one we can write 2. So these numbers are written in ascending order. Now coming to fourth bit. Write the following integers in descending order. Descending order means the given digits we can arrange in big to small. Now we have to arrange the given digits in big to small. Okay, let us see first one. Here the descending order of the digits is equal. Here -8, -2, -1. Three numbers are in negative integers only. Okay, these three integers now we can arrange in descending order. Descending order means big to small. Which is the greatest integer? Which is the greatest integer? -1. Okay, so here -1 and next one -2 and -8. Okay, so here the given digits are arranged in descending order. Descending order means big to small. And next coming to third bit. What digits are given? +5, +8 and -2. Okay, these given integers now we can arrange in descending order. Descending order means big to small. So first we have to compare positive integers only. Okay, from these +5, +8, which is the greatest number? +8 is the greatest integer. So +8, next +5 and -2. Okay, +8, +5 and -8. These given integers now we can arrange in descending order. Right. Now let us see the seventh question. Okay, what is given here? The temperatures of these 5 cities in India on a particular day are shown on the number line below. Here the temperatures given. 5 cities temperatures are given on number line. Okay, see here. Here is Kasula is no number. No number means -9 before, -10 before, -9 degrees centigrade. Here it is -9 degree centigrade is Kasula. Okay, and next one. Manali. Manali is -5, -4, -6, -7. Here Manali is -7 degree centigrade. And Nainital. Nainital, here see 0, -1, -2, -3 degree. So that Nainital is -3 degree centigrade is recorded. And next one, positive integers. See here, -50, +15 degree centigrade is Ooty. How many degrees and temperature is given here? +15 degree centigrade in Ooty. And next one, Bangalore. Bangalore is 20 degree centigrade. These temperatures are recorded. Okay. So now what is given? First question. Write the temperatures of the cities marked on it. First question. What we have to write first? Temperatures of the cities. So first one, what is that? Here is cities and temperature. Okay, temperatures. Right. First one. What is that? Kasuli. Kasuli is how much temperature is recorded? Minus 9 degrees centigrade is recorded. And next one, Manali. Manali, how much is the temperature? Minus 7 degree centigrade. And next, Nainital. Nainital is minus 3 degree centigrade. Here, Nainital. Nainital is recorded minus 3 degree centigrade. Okay. Now, Ooty. Ooty is 15 degree centigrade. And next, Bangalore. Bangalore is 20 degree centigrade. These 5 degree centigrades are recorded. Okay. And next one. What they are asking, second question. Which city has the highest temperature? Which city has the highest temperature? See, after this number line, which city? Highest temperatures means we have to compare positive temperatures. Okay. So, here highest temperature means 15 degrees and 20 degrees centigrade. Which is the highest in this? 20 degrees centigrade. So, that second question how to write? The highest temperature of the city is equal to the highest temperature of the city equal to Bangalore. Here Bangalore not sufficient. Okay. Bangalore is highest temperature. Okay. Next. What they are asking in third question. What they are asking? Which city has the lowest temperature? Lowest temperatures means we have to compare negative integers. Okay. Negative temperatures. Which is the lowest temperature? Kasuli. Okay. So, the lowest temperature of the city is, what is that? Kasuli. Is minus 9 degree centigrade. Here Bangalore is plus 20 degree centigrade. Okay. Next, fourth question. Which cities has the temperatures less than 0? Here what they are asking? Which city have temperature less than 0 degrees? Fourth one. Less than 0 degree centigrade. 0 is here. Okay. Less than 0 means left of the 0 what is recorded? Left of the 0 what is recorded? Negative temperatures. Kasuli, Manali and Nainital. Okay. Kasuli is minus 9 degrees centigrade. Manali is minus 7 degrees centigrade. And Nainital is minus 3 degrees centigrade. So that, what is that? Kasuli is minus 9 degrees centigrade. And next one, Manali. Manali is minus 7 degrees centigrade. And next, Nainital. Nainital is how much degree centigrade? Minus 3 degree centigrade is recorded. Okay. These are less than 0 degree centigrade. This is the fourth one. And finally, fifth one. Name the cities which temperatures more than 0. Here written less than 0 degree temperatures. Now what they are asking to do? More than 0 degree centigrade. More than 0 degree centigrade here positive temperatures. What is recorded positive temperatures? 15 degrees with Ooty, 20 degrees centigrade with Bangalore. So these two are greater than 0 degree temperatures. Okay. So that is equal. What is that? Ooty. Ooty is plus 15 degrees centigrade and Bangalore. Bangalore is 20 degree centigrade. These are more than 0 degree temperatures are recorded. Okay, more than 0 degree temperatures. Okay, okay.